Be sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on that notification bell and hit the like button.
I'm always doing the most, finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back, let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm starting off with Dazzle Red, which is this gorgeous loose glitter, and I'm going to be pairing that with Red Velvet, which is this beautiful like deep blood red acrylic. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to be capping everything in Nailmate crystal clear acrylic, and of course I'll be using the premium adhesive monomer. The brushes that I'll be using in today's video are these three. If you are trying to keep up with everything I'm using, don't worry, I will list it all down below. So I've got the number 5 3D brush, I've got the small oval brush which is from the 5-piece set, and then I'll be using the pastel pink number 12 aqua acrylic brush, and this is for applying the actual nails and the product. So I have already gone ahead and applied the clear easy tips, and then coming in with the tip cutter and just trimming off the length from these tips because I wanted to create a coffin shape set today. So these tips are perfect for that. You literally just snip off the end and then you've got minimal filing to do just as you refine the shape. So I did go ahead and already apply my clear base. I do have a video up on how to apply a clear base over nail tips, so definitely check that out. I'll try to remember to link it on the video here so you can just click on, or in the description box below. So I'm coming in first with the Red Velvet acrylic, and I'm just applying a nice medium bead at the cuticle area, making sure to tuck it in nicely, get everything flush and keep everything as neat as possible. And then I'm going to be gently dragging that down the nail just to evenly spread that product. And look how pigmented the Nailmate powders are. Honestly, I try every single one before I say yes to any of them because I want the formula and the pigmentation, the application of the product to be absolutely spot on and exactly how I like it. So you will not, I promise you, you will not be disappointed. So after I've applied the red acrylic, I'm then coming in with Dazzle Red, which is such a gorgeous holographic red glitter. So all the particles in this glitter are the same size and they are holographic and have all these different reflex of like colours on them. It's honestly super stunning and properly dazzling, which is why I decided to call it Dazzle Red. It's perfect for Halloween, but also perfect for Christmas and Valentine's and those that just love red nails, I guess, because this like glitter as well also reminds me of the Dorothy slippers from The Wizard of Oz. Like imagine a full set of those just dazzling away. Freaking gorgeous. I also just wanted to touch base and let you guys know that I hope you are all doing well. I'm just thinking about everybody generally during this like difficult time. It's super devastating, not only to individuals but to businesses and to families. Everybody's like, there's a lot of people losing their jobs at the moment, a lot of businesses shutting down, and it is such a difficult time. I can't even comprehend what some people are having to go through at this time. My heart goes out to every single person struggling during this pandemic. I'm not sure if that's what it is anymore, honestly. I have no idea what's going on. I don't think anybody does, but I just want everyone to stay safe and try and stay as positive as possible. Also, the set on my left hand, the full video is already up on my channel, and the one on my right hand is just a short gel polish overlay. It is in the colour Negligee, and I don't think I showed you completely the nails, but you can kind of see them popping into the frame sometimes. So yeah, if you're wondering what colour that is, it is Negligee from the Nailmate gel polish line. So I'm just going to follow and repeat the process on all of the nails because I wanted to keep this set simple but like cute and creepy. I decided to keep all the nails the same, so we're going with the red velvet as the cuticle and the base, and then we're going with the Dazzle red glitter towards the free edge and just blending that up the nail nice and like not evenly. We don't want it to be a straight line, we want that glitter to fade really nicely, like it's just fizzling off into that red. So we'll just go ahead and do this final one, and then we will move on to the super cute, I say cute because it does look a little bit cute even though it's creepy, creepy part of this set, which is the googly encapsulated eyeballs. Okay, so now I've finished applying all of the colour and glitter. I just wanted to show you how they look as they are. Super classy, sparkly and bedazzling. I love how they look. But of course Halloween is coming up and I've had to just share some Halloween designs. So we're going to come in with Nailmate Blizzard White Acrylic, which is this pure bright white acrylic powder, and the number 5 3D brush. I'm just going to be placing small to medium beads. They are more on the smaller side. And I'm draining the back of the brush to take out that extra liquid, and then I'm placing them on the nail and just using the tip of that 3D brush to kind of mold them into shape. It doesn't take much because the product will self-level and kind of create that nice even ball shape. But if you do find that you've added a little bit too much liquid, the product will flow out and you'll need to come back in with your brush and just tuck that product back under. And you can see that I'm doing that there. So I'm just using the side of the brush to tuck it back into place and make it a perfect round shape. So now that I've finished creating the acrylic eyeballs, I'm coming in with Nailmate gel polish and the detailer brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and paint on the like coloured irises and then the pupils. And this bit was super fun. I think adding the details like this just makes everything come to life and really stand out and like makes you look and go, what's in there? And then everyone will want to look and you'll be like, it's eyeballs. I think it looks super cute. But yeah, I cure the colour in the light, and then I'm coming in with a dotting tool and Midnight Black gel polish and just dotting in that pupil area. And I then come in with Nailmate White Out and do the same, but just add 2 little highlights, just because I think the more details you can kind of get on there, the better the set looks overall as a finished look. So I do make sure to cure between each colour application just to ensure that everything stays in place and none of the colours mix together. Okay, so now everything is cured in the lamp. I'm coming in with Nailmate Crystal Clear Acrylic and encapsulating these eyeballs. Honestly, this looks super cool as I was doing it. As you can see, it just looks, I don't know, super spooky, like eyeballs are being encapsulated in some kind of liquidy stuff. I don't know, it looks freaky. But yeah, I loved encapsulating this set. It was super freaking awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and cap all of this set, and I'm just making sure that I've covered everything so that I definitely do not file into these once I come to file and shape them, because that would be a disaster. So yeah, I'm just going to do that, and then I will be back to add the top coat with you and reveal these super spooky eyeballs. Once I've encapsulated, this is how they look. They look freaking spooky. I love how they are looking so far. So I'm just going to go ahead and file them both off of camera, and then we are back into top coat. And as always, I'm coming in with Nailmate Super Gloss top coat, and I can't wait to show the close-ups with you after I've finished. So I'm just going to apply this and then do a full cure in the light for 60 seconds. Honestly, on camera it really didn't do these justice. Like in person, from every single angle, as you can imagine, like looking through the nail, you could see that these eyeballs were like 3D trapped inside the nail. They look kind of flat on here, I think. I'm not sure if you can kind of get the 3D look, like they are encased in the nail, but from every single angle, honestly, it looked super spooky, like the eyes were following you when you like turned the nail. I love how it looked. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I've added some cuticle oil, dusted off any dust and things like that, and this is how the nails look. Honestly, loving how they turned out. I think this set is like Halloween-y, but not. I mean, obviously it is, but it's not like super gore and creepy. Well, it is kind of creepy, but it's still cute. Like, it looks cute. I hope you guys loved this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and as always, remember that you are bomb.com lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye.